guys, I'm Peyton, one of the founding members of Hatch Club, probably the coolest club in the history of life. Welcome to Hatchimals Into It, our spin-off show where we, you guessed it, get really into the latest, greatest, and cutest Hatchimals swag. This episode, we're unboxing the Glitter Salon. Hatchimals Into It. Glitter into it. Okay, now let's get into the rundown. Before we get into glitterizing, we've got to unbox it. Here's a rundown of everything you get with the Glitter Salon. The Salon, 2 exclusive Hatchimals, 1 still in egg, hamster and elefly, classic faves, sparkle stickers, a sparkly glitter brush, exclusive accessories, hot pink and purple glitter, and glue. Guys, get a load of all this swag. Q&A time. How do I glitterize my Hatchimals? Girl, I thought you'd never ask. First, choose the Hatchimal you want to glitterize. Elefly, you're up. Next, twist the glitterizer top off. Then pour about half of 1 bag of glitter inside. Grab the glue and paint a layer on your Hatchimal wherever you want the glitter to stick. I'm going to paint glue here, here, and here. You've got to give your glue a minute to dry until it's tacky. Now pop on your Hatchimal onto the stand by lining up the hole in its bottom with a peg here. And put it into the glitterizer chamber. Twist clockwise to lock the lid. Swirl that glitter by pressing this button about 10 to 15 times, like this. Let's see the new and improved elefly. Ooh, now let's let her dry for about 2 minutes, then brush off the excess glitter. Glitter gorgeousness. Into it. Can I glitterize any Hatchimal? Go ahead and glitterize any cutie from Season 6, the Royal Hatch, Season 6.5, the Royal Snowball, and from Season 5, Mermal Magic, but only if they have a little hole in their bottom you can use to attach them securely to the stand. What happens when I run out of glitter or glue? A glitter shortage is tragic, but totally fixable. Here's how. Use your own glitter, and a thin layer of any clear or white liquid glue will work. Heads up, don't use super glue. Different glues dry at different rates, so make sure you wait 5 to 10 minutes before brushing off the excess glitter. How do I clean up the salon? I totally get it. There's glitter everywhere and your mom isn't super pleased. Been there, don't worry. Here's what to do. Just pop the glitterizer out of the salon, pour the leftover glitter into a piece of paper, and put it back into the bag. To clean the rest, you can just use a paintbrush to sweep it up, like this. Glitter, gone. Ooh, good question. I'm always here for a glow up. It's super easy. Check it out. Roll up the stickers, then pop them right in here. Store your accessories right in here. And add a little extra sparkle to your vanity by popping the crowns on here. Organized and super cute for the win. Is there such a thing as too much glitter? Is Narwarbler the least adorbs of all the Hatchimals? No. The answer is no. There's never enough glitter. It's been a blast answering your questions about Hatchimals Glitter Salon. Remember, too much glitter? Not a thing. See y'all at the Royal Snowball. Thanks for watching. Check out more Into It videos here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you later.